What's up, guys? Bang, bang. This week in Bitcoin was a weird one. Bitcoin itself just going sideways and being pretty boring, honestly. But there's lots of other things around Bitcoin that are worth paying attention to. The first is a continued fallout from FTX and Sam Bankman-Fried, with news breaking just yesterday that Sam Bankman-Fried was extending loans via some of his entities to the former CEO of the block, and none of the staffers at the block knew. It's mass chaos, and we continue to see the tentacles of SBF and FTX reaching throughout the entire industry. The second thing, though, is that we continue to watch the macro environment put Bitcoin in that sideways trajectory. The macro economy over the last year has frankly sucked. The Federal Reserve has done a fantastic job of destroying investor demand, and as they have done that by creating those tighter financial conditions, more and more people are wondering, when will the Fed pivot and how exactly is that going to go down? Well, this upcoming week, we are going to get another interest rate decision. Elon Musk, one of the richest people in the world, and now the proud owner of Twitter.com, saying that he believes that a raise in interest rates will only put more pressure and a higher likelihood on a painful recession in 2023. I tend to agree with him, but we will see what the Fed decides to do. And last but not least, all the way in Ghana, there was a Bitcoin conference this past week. CEO of Square, Jack Dorsey, now known as Block, he went on a tour of a couple of different countries, and when in Kenya, he tweeted out this photo of the hydroelectric-powered Bitcoin mining facility. This is a great example of what anyone in the world with an internet connection, some ingenuity, some desire for innovation, and an interest in the Bitcoin network can accomplish. Bitcoin is a decentralized network that has a persistent demand for energy and computational power. And so we are just beginning to understand what is actually possible, and it continues to feed into the creation of the most secure computing network in the world. Keep your eyes on the Fed decision, and remember that although price continues to go sideways, there is tons and tons and tons of building going on in the industry, and ultimately, when we get back to better times, that building will pay off. Hope you guys enjoy these weekly updates on Bitcoin and the broader market. I will see all of you next Saturday.